Hey you guys, make sure you stay to the end of this because I'm going to teach you what the requirements are for you to be able to be approved for this personal loan where you can get anywhere from $5,000 to $40,000 for a personal loan that you can use for investments, consolidating your credit card debt, and so much more. If you have any questions for me on what you need to do with your credit, comment below. Hey you guys, it's Rose and I'm back with another video today. Today we are talking all about personal loans that you can get with your credit if you want to use it to invest. Maybe you have that credit card debt that you're looking to consolidate and pay down so that you can boost your credit scores up to where they need to be for whatever type of additional financing, or just you need a break on all those credit card interest rates. I have a personal loan for you that you can actually apply for. It is with Happy Money and you can get approved anywhere from $5,000 up to $40,000 with this company with a personal loan. And they allow you 2 to 5 years to actually pay off this loan. So it's not something that you have to worry about paying off immediately. Now, as far as the interest rates, they can vary from 5% to 24% on the interest rate. And of course, that all depends on your actual credit score when you apply with them. Because this particular loan is used through a credit union, you're going to be able to get better rates on the interest rate. And also, you're actually able to get a personal loan with a decent amount on it to really help you out with any type of debt you're trying to avoid. Or if you need some startup money to get your next investment or business idea off the ground. So I'm just looking at all the information that I've written down for you guys as far as your credit report. So initially, when you are applying for this personal loan, it is a soft pull, which means it's not going to be a hard inquiry initially. When you're filling out the application, putting in all your personal information, it's just a soft pull. Once you are actually approved, that's when they're going to do a hard pull on your credit, and they do pull your Transunion credit score. As far as the inquiries, if you're denied, of course, you can always use my 24-hour inquiry removal ebook that's available in the description below for only $5. You can use that to take off the inquiries whether you're approved or not. If you are denied, it is best to remove the inquiry so that you can apply for a different personal loan company, because that is kind of a red flag for them if they see you have previous inquiries for personal loans. But even if you are approved, as long as you remove the inquiry before it hits your credit report within those first 30 days, then you're able to remove that to allow you to move on to get funding anywhere else that you may need in the near future. So as far as the requirements for documentation, what they are doing now is they do need your driver's license. It's one of those things where you'll have to upload the driver's license for the front and the back. They also will ask for your social security number. And for this particular one, they do ask you to link your bank account. I don't believe that it's based on the amount that's necessarily in the account. I think it's more so about you having that direct link to be able to pay whatever your monthly payment is with them. Like I said, this is really great to consolidate any type of credit card debt you've been avoiding. If you've fallen on hard time, you need some money to just hold you over, it's great because this is a personal loan. And when it comes to the credit card, let's say your cards are maxed out or your limits are very high, you can use this to pay off your credit card debt, which will essentially boost your credit score within the next 30 days once the updated amount that is on your credit report updates that you've paid your utilization down. That's going to boost your credit score. Once you get 1 or 2 bank statements of that being down, you can actually start applying for new credit from there. So you use this to consolidate the credit card that you have, pay everything down. As a bonus for you guys, whenever you want to get your credit card utilization updated, you can actually call the company and say, hey, I just paid down my credit card. Can you guys do an update for me where you immediately report it to my credit report before the statement date, because I am trying to get approved for some financing. If they do that, that's going to make the process way easier for you so that you can start applying for new credit, whether it be loans, credit cards, whatever it is that you need your credit card utilization to be paid down for. This will help you a lot. And on the personal loan side, like I said, it's going to give you some money to help you either invest in something you've been wanting to start or just hold you over until, you know, your next job comes in, taxes are around the corner, those different types of things. So really great. It is going to report on your credit report. It is an installment loan, which means, you know, it's a personal loan. Personal loans usually go under the installment loan section. So just to let you know, this is something that will report on your credit report. So you do want to make sure once you get the account that you are paying it on time and not getting any late payments, because it can actually hurt your credit. As far as the approval process, I would definitely say that it says on the site you need to at least have a 640 or higher. You need to have minimum inquiries. I would not encourage you to have any inquiries that are from another personal loan company that were recent, because that can be a red flag, like I said before. Also, you are going to have to link your bank account, and they are going to ask for your ID front and back. So those are just some things that you need to be aware of. And they also look at your debt to income ratio, which means they don't want you to have a high amount of debt that is outstanding and you haven't paid. They want that to be, you know, at a happy amount. So those are the things that are really important for you guys to know and do. Definitely check out Happy Money, because you can get approved anywhere from $5,000 to $40,000 as far as the personal loan. Thank you guys again. If you have any questions or you want me to post more information about other loans that you can do, just drop your questions in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.